A local pit bull rescue group is using the tragic death of one of their dogs as an important reminder to pet owners.
New at 5 o'clock, 10 News reporter Candace Crone has the warning that could save your pet's life.
1.5-year-old Onyx was headed to a pet adoption event in Encinitas Saturday to find a permanent home, but the pit bull never made it. The founder of It's the Pits Dog Rescue says Onyx's handler, who's a volunteer, left the dog in the car for a few minutes. When he returned, Onyx was dead.
I was angry at first because of the heartache and what happened, but he loved this dog. I know he did.
Beth Gruff says the dog was on a leash and tried to hop out of the window when he accidentally hanged himself. Gruff says the volunteers are trained on how to properly handle the pets and calls this a tragic accident. The group posted the incident on their Facebook page as a reminder to never leave a pet in a car unattended.
The reason why we put this out there was because we wanted people to have an idea of what can happen if they're not properly restrained, meaning in a crate or in a dog harness.
The Facebook post has received hundreds of comments from animal lovers. One woman writes, so sad. Hope lessons are learned from this horrible incident. Another comment reads, this makes me so sad. I would think that someone who volunteers to help with rescue dogs, or any dogs for that matter, would know better. Volunteers say the loss was a huge blow, and they have this message for all pet owners.
Take that extra minute to think before they do something that could cost the dog its life.
Candace Crone, 10 News.
The rescue group says Onyx's handler is no longer a volunteer with the group. We are told animal control is not looking into the matter.